You want to instill a habit of saving. That's one of the biggest things you can do when you start making money. Anybody who goes to church, or you probably have had church in your background, or you just know anything about being generous, it's called giving 10% of your wealth. And the first form of tithing I learned how to do was to put 10% of your house. So before you give 10% to a church, give 10% to a waitress, give 10% to anybody, put it in your house first. When you put 10% in your house, you're learning how to save. And Forbes did a study on this when it comes to teaching kids about money, and it showed the first thing you should do is instill the habit of saving. Once you teach a child how to save and they understand they don't have to spend every dollar, it becomes something that they can cherish and hold on to and not just get the money and get the money away as soon as they get it. You become more generous to things, and it's just easier to get your money. The next thing you want to do is create opportunities to earn money. So in order to be able to save money, you have to have opportunities to make money. So no matter if it's a job, a side hustle, or maybe you just have somebody who is generous to you and gave you money, any opportunity it is, no matter if it's birthdays, because our kids get money on their birthday, you want to teach them the ability to save, and even yourself. You want to learn the ability to save. You don't have to spend every dollar you make, because once you spend every dollar you make, not only are you putting yourself in a situation which is called a poverty mindset, but you're not thinking about the future. As all our grandparents have said, and even our parents, a rainy day is going to come. And what they mean by that is you're going to have dark days where you may have your tire go out. You may need a new or used tire. You may have a day with an important appliance go out. You may have something as serious as an engine on your vehicle go out. Either you're going to fix that or get a new one, but those are some of the important things you need to focus on so far as saving money for a rainy day and creating more opportunities to make money. Therefore, the money that I'm saving, I don't have to touch, and the money that I'm making, I can still enjoy my life and also put some aside for those rainy days. Once you set aside your rainy day or your emergency savings money, then it's time to start working on what do I do to invest into myself, invest into my education, so I can become better at what I'm doing in life. And now I'm switching back to the adults. If you have already been to college or you got side hustles, whatever you're doing, the first form of investing that anybody should do before you go buy any course, take any other trades up, is invest into your education. Find a mentor or find some coaching course that's going to educate you about exactly what you are trying to do. It don't matter if it's marketing for your business that you started. It don't matter if it's branding. Whatever you are trying to do, it's time to start investing here. Either read more books. I have learned a great deal of knowledge just from reading books and watching on YouTube, seeing what other people have done with the mistakes they have made. And it also taught me that, hey, I can make these same mistakes or I can avoid those mistakes if I dial in deeply on what somebody else's mistakes were and avoid them. People have already paid the price of the mistake that you're going to make. That's why they sell you educational courses. They know, hey, I've been in your shoes before. I did that. Therefore, I could sell you a course telling you what not to do. And if you decide to do that, you just basically, you're a hard-headed person. And as our parents once said, hard-headed make us out behind. So those are some of the key steps you can do to shift the poverty mindset into, hey, I want to get to prosperity. I want to do better. I want to get better than the people who were before me. And a lot of people don't think this way. We're so caught up in the day-to-day, and these phones, they're really consuming us to where we're seeing other people highlight reels. We're seeing other people getting nice cars for push gifts, or they're getting nice houses, and you don't really know the real situation. Like, we hear it all the time. Me and my wife, we're a couple goals. People love the way we do things. They love the way we move. They love the way we raise our kids. But you're not in our house to see exactly what we do every day. Every Sunday, we faithfully fast and pray. That's just something we do. But we can do something crazy every Sunday. We can be out at the nightclub that Saturday night and don't get in till Sunday morning. And Sunday morning, the kids don't eat, don't do nothing. Like, you never know what somebody really doing before they show you their highlight reel. So to make sure that you have all your things in check, just live your life. You have to live for yourself. Keeping up with the Joneses, keeping up with your family, keeping up with anybody is not going to get you to shift your mindset. You're going to start doing some of the same things they're doing, and if you don't know exactly what they're doing, you're probably going to make a lot of mistakes that they have made.